Hello friends, today I'm going to illustrate how we can make two computers to talk to one another. Uh, Here are some bullet points that we are going to go through. So we're going to have two computers. We use a crossover cable to connect them. We're going to make sure they are on. Uh, we'll check the ARP table to see how it looks like when there is no ping and what happened after a ping. We also assign an IP address to both of the computers and we issue a ping from both of the computers and we check the ARP table to see what information is populated. So without any waste of time, let me quickly drop some two workstation here for us to work with. So our next step will be to connect them. So this is packet tracer. Yeah, good tool to learn. Uh, let's connect the two computers. So they are on automatically. So in case you wanted to turn it off, this is the button here, the power button. See that? On. So that's how it is. Let's check our next step here is to check the ARP table. So at this point, there is no IP address given to any of them. So if we check, let's see what we got. ipconfig. So we have IPv6 link local address configured by default. And we have this is IPv6 address. So the IPv4 is not configured. So we're gonna see ARP table, ARP-A. We see that we have no entries in the ARP table at the moment. We're going to then configure an IP address here. Let's suppose we give 192.168.1.2. So the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So that is done there. And this is the physical address of this machine, or known as MAC address. Let's do it for the other machine. Okay, down here, ipconfig, the same thing. We have the link local address set for IPv6, ARP, no entries. So let's configure 192.168.1.3. Yeah, so we have that. This is the MAC address for this PC here. So everything is turned on and we are good. Now, if we return here, the moment we ping PC0 from PC1, they are going to both each learn the physical address of one another, and then the ARP table will be populated with some information. So let's issue a ping 192.168.1.2. So That's a reply. So if we check ARP table now, you see that we have the information for PC0 already populated in PC2, in PC1, I beg your pardon, and we do the same this way. We're gonna see that the PC0 has learned a MAC address for PC2. So you can see that so this is PC0 MAC address. This is PC1 MAC address in the ARP table. Yeah, so I think we have exhausted um, the points. We place two computers in the packet tracer, use a crossover cable to connect them, turn them on, check the ARP table, and there were no entries. We configured the private IP address for both computers. We ping PC1 and PC0, and we check the ARP table again, and we found that uh, the MAC address, the physical address of each computer was populated in, in both computers. So friends, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will be back again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.